To send money from India to China, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries, such as banks, online money transfer services, or currency exchange offices. Some popular options include CC Bank, HDFC Bank, and online services like PayPal or TransferWise. Next, gather the necessary documents, including your identification proof, address proof, and the recipient's details, such as their name, address, and bank account information in China. It is essential to ensure that the recipient's bank account is eligible to receive international transfers. Now, create an account with your chosen money transfer service. If you haven't already, this can usually be done online or by visiting a branch in person. Provide the required documents and information to verify your identity and set up your account. After setting up your account, initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you wish to send. Choose the payment method, such as a bank transfer or online payment. You will also need to select the currency exchange rate and pay any applicable fees. Once you have initiated the transfer, review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then, confirm the transfer and wait for the money to be credited to the recipient's account in China. This can take several working days, depending on the transfer service and the recipient's bank. To avoid any delays or issues, make sure to check the daily transfer limits and any restrictions on sending money to China. Additionally, keep the transaction reference number safe, as you may need it to track the transfer or resolve any issues that may arise. Finally, inform the recipient about the transfer and provide them with the transaction reference number, so they can track the transfer and receive the money as soon as it is credited to their account. By following these steps and choosing a reliable money transfer service, you can easily send money from India to China.